This sophisticated frameless Hotpoint electric hob will make a smart addition to any modern kitchen. With 9 power levels which can be navigated by simple touch controls, you can have total influence over your cooking from start to finish. Whether you're sizzling or simmering, your food will cook perfectly at just the right temperature and speed. The residual heat indicator and child lock ensure that mealtimes will always be an enjoyable, safe experience for the whole family. The heat indicator clearly warns when a hob is still hot to the touch, long after you've turned it off. And with the child lock protecting wandering fingers from accidentally turning on a hob, you can be sure that welcoming the family into the kitchen is as safe as it can be. The frameless design not only looks great, but it also ensures no dirt or grime will build up in difficult to clean crevices, meaning you can retain complete hygiene in your kitchen. Safe, clean and gives you complete control, this no-challenge Hotpoint electric hob is a fantastic choice for any kitchen.